When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try these advanced fixes for consumer cellular Wi-Fi calling issues. First, ensure your router firmware is up to date. Updates from TP-Link and Netgear often include IMS-specific optimizations. Avoid using third-party VPNs, as they can disrupt IMS registration and cause calling failures. Try reseating your SIM card, which can resolve IMS service not available errors on many devices. Wi-Fi calling is increasingly integrating with cellular networks for seamless handoffs between Wi-Fi and cellular. Consumer Cellular invests heavily in its IMS infrastructure to minimize failures. For issues that persist after these fixes, contact Consumer Cellular support directly for personalized assistance. Looking ahead, the future of Wi-Fi calling includes AI-driven diagnostics and apps, making it easier to get tailored fixes. E911 location accuracy is expected to improve significantly with AI-powered location prediction technology. Consumer Cellular also plans to certify more routers, expanding compatibility and reducing issues. By following these advanced steps and staying updated with Consumer Cellular's recommendations, you can maximize the reliability of Wi-Fi calling.